Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today I am doing a little reveal and what's in my bag. It is a latest addition to my handbag collection. I haven't bothered doing an unboxing because as soon as I got it I kind of just started using it, and this bag you actually would have remembered I talked about quite some time ago, last year in fact, and I thought about adding it to my collection and I actually finally went ahead and did that. So if you are interested in what I am about to reveal, do stay tuned. But firstly I just wanted to welcome anyone who is new here. Hi, my name is June. I am a Dr. Bride Day. I make YouTube videos in my spare time. If you like all things luxury, especially handbags, reveals and vintage Chanel, you'll love it here. So do hit the subscribe button and make sure to give me a follow on my Instagram where I post content on the regular and also show you how I style these bags. So without further ado, let's get onto the handbag reveal. Please welcome my latest handbag addition to my collection. I am obsessed, you guys. It is my Fendi Zucca print. You guys probably remember I did talk about it last year when I was adding like Fendi baguettes to my handbag collection almost monthly. I have quite the collection now, but this one I sort of ummed and ahed, but then I sort of just bit the bullet and added it to my collection this year, and I have been wearing her non-stop. It is the most gorgeous, amazing sort of statement bag. I love it in this leather, and this particular bag I have actually been hunting for because I wanted this style baguette. They did come out with this shearling leather in a re-edition, like a more updated version, more similar to the baguette that I have now. If you can't tell, they are quite different. This one has a much longer strap compared to this one, which is more sort of like a top handle. You can't really put this on your shoulder, and then the logo there is a little bit different compared to the newer ones as well. So this one was sort of like the first edition of this shearling bag, and I just loved it because it gave me more of like the vintage baguette styles, which I love wearing baguettes on my shoulder like this, like a little shoulder bag. So I really wanted one with a longer strap. This actually came with a black leather strap, but you guys remember I've had this strap in my collection for the longest time, and I just knew that these two would be a match made in heaven, and I absolutely love it. I just attach it to the strap here. Now you can take the strap off or on, but I tend to just leave it on because I do like to have two ways to wear this bag. I mean, if you wanted to, you can make this strap shorter so it's like more of a top handle, but I actually like sort of wearing it like this. I think that's just really cute and unique. But yeah, this is her. I bought her from the RealReal. I haven't really seen this style, you know, going around. I've seen her on Fashionphile as well, but yeah, I purchased it from the RealReal, which was my second time purchasing from them. One thing to note is when you're purchasing off there, like they don't have very many photos, and like the returns policy is not amazing. So I do caution anyone purchasing from that website, but I feel like their prices are a little bit more reasonable than Fashionphile sometimes. You do have to pay taxes and duties when you purchase from them. So this came up to, I think, about 3,500 plus duties, so about 3,800. So look, still not cheap, but it is still cheaper than if you were to purchase this brand new in store. And yeah, I absolutely love her. I'll open her up and then we can show you what fits inside. Just has like a magnetic closure, which is very, very secure. Inside it is lined with leather. I still have the tag actually, so it's got RealReal. So inside, I just used her to go to Louis Vuitton. So bear with me, there's quite a few things in here. The first thing I'll take out is actually my umbrella. We are in winter, so a lot of rain. I just have this handbag size umbrella, lifesaver. I kind of put it in every bag that I can chuck it in. I've got some receipts for some returns. I've got a Bottega Veneta card from a sales associate because I was looking at some items there. There's a color from Bottega that I really like. It's like this slime acid green color, but I just feel like maybe it's a little bit too daring for me. But yeah, anyways, we'll see. I've got my car key slash wallet slash house key. So you guys know I bring this wherever I go. This I purchased many years ago. It is worth the wear. I've had it for years and years. It is still looking pretty good for its age. The canvas is certainly wearing, but I do plan on still owning this like for another 5-10 years to come. The most amazing SLG. The first thing I would recommend to anyone, especially if you're looking for like just a very pocketable little wallet. Perfect size. And then because I attach my keys on here, I never forget my wallet and my keys like ever. I always have them with me. What else? So now I've got just crap in here actually. More receipts from like the post office for returns. And then I have got, what's happened here? Why is this not in its case? Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no, I don't know where the other one is. So I've got my Apple AirPods Pro. I can't find the other one. I am going to have a meltdown. Okay, I can't find, I'm gonna have to look for it. I've got some cash in here. I've got a $50 note, Australian. I've got $10, $5, and another $10. I've got $75 here. Perfect. And then I've got some makeup. So these are sort of my go-to makeup that I've been using lately. Firstly, the Falsies Eyelash Mascara. This one's in waterproof, but I do recommend just the normal Falsies. If you want it to build up, I do feel like the waterproof one like just holds the curl a lot better, but I don't really like using the waterproof because it's just so much more difficult to take out. I've also recently discovered Morphe lipsticks. This is this liquid lipsticks, which I'm using right now. The one that I've got is actually not this one. Oh, it is this one. It's in Bite Me. So it's like a nude brown, which I really love. And this one is in Schoolgirl, which is a really beautiful neutral pink. This one is beautiful too. So these two colors I do really recommend. And I've also just got a Maybelline lip liner in Rose, which I use to line my lips. And then inside it's also got a back compartment, and in here I've stored my key cards, which is just like traveling here in Melbourne for the trams and the trains. And then, okay, so it's got this little hook as well, and what it does is you can change the hooks from just like a D-ring to one with like a buckle, so that you can change from, I guess, top handle to the strap. But what I've done is I've just attached the strap to the buckle. I don't think it really matters, and this is how I'm going to wear it anyways. Kind of love the look of this. I think it's sort of what makes this whole bag. If I didn't have this, I probably wouldn't be as tempted to get this, but since having both, it is just like the perfect combination. I love the texture that it gives. I just think it's different. The color is so gorgeous. I love this color a lot more than the Zucca print color here. As you can see, it's a lot more of a rich like autumnal brown, and this one's just a little bit more muted. So I really love this color here. I'm tempted to sell this, but the problem is I use the strap for my little croissant bag. Like, how cute is it? So if I can find just like this strap on its own, I probably will sell off this bag, because I don't know, I feel like I probably haven't been using this as much lately. If you were going to compare this size and this size, I do feel like this bag here, this baguette and the cloth does carry and fit a lot more. It's also not as structured as this one. So for example, this has nothing in it and it looks beautiful. It sort of holds its shape because it's just a thicker bag, whereas this, if I took out all the stuffing, it will actually collapse on itself, which I don't mind. Like when you're traveling and you have a collapsible bag, it's actually very convenient, because you don't have to worry about it holding its shape. You can just squish it down, and then yeah, it's actually quite versatile. Reminds me of like the Prada nylon. So I do actually use this a lot when I'm traveling. But do I need so many like Zucca style Fendi baguettes? I don't know. So that's sort of what I'm thinking about. But I love this strap for this bag. And I feel like if I sold this on its own, it will reduce the value a lot. So yeah, if anyone has a strap that they're willing to sell me so I can put this back with the bag and sell it off as a complete set, do let me know. Or if you know if I can buy this separately, I would love to hear from you. But it just looks so good with my croissant bag that I like. It's a permanent add-on to this bag. Like, I don't use this bag without this strap, like, ever. So yeah, anyways, that is it, you guys. That is my little Fendi reveal and a little mini Fendi collection. I do love Fendi Zuka items, like especially the baguettes. I don't like many of their other stuff, but the baguettes I am sort of a sucker for. My ultimate baguette is going to have to be the purple sequin, like vintage baguette, not the newer style but the older one with the actual longer strap. I love the vintage baguettes, and that purple sequin has my heart. Unfortunately, they're going for an extortionate amount of money because it was featured in Sex and the City and it's just iconic, so I don't think I'll ever add that to my collection. But yeah, if I ever see that for a reasonable price, I definitely would add it because it is just gorgeous. But yeah, that is it from me, you guys. That is my latest Fendi handbag edition / reveal. Do let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. I know I've talked you guys' ear off, so give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and also check out my Instagram. But as always, hope you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.